Hi gang, Kate from Kate Bishop Coaching here. I'm a certified career confidence coach and I'm all about making your Mondays feel just as awesome as your Fridays. Question for you. Do you ever get tired of being constantly pigeonholed for only being seen for one side of yourself? What I'm talking about here are the labels that you've been given, maybe at work, maybe as a teenager or even as a child. Now, often our labels come from parents or caregivers, and they generally always come from a place of love or their pride in us. But unfortunately, we tend to get stuck with them for life. They're imprinted. Yet we know we are so much more than just being the clever one, or the entertaining one, or the creative one. I work a lot with my clients on identifying what these labels are, who has given them, and crucially, we explore if those labels are still relevant. And guess what, folks? They are rarely still relevant. In fact, for most of my clients, we remove those old labels and throw them away, quite literally. The relief of being a blank slate on which to work is palpable. And even though I'm not a big fan of any label, we work together to create new, positive, and really relevant ways to describe themselves. They create their brand new, fresh label. So try it today. Write down all of the labels you have ever been given, and then who gave you that label? And ask yourself, how relevant is it now? How well is it serving you now? And finally, what is an alternative, more accurate and more positive way to describe yourself? Now, if you want to chat through all of this in much more depth and talk about confidence and courage, especially at work, then get in touch. My contact details are below. Take care.